Today we will study about statistics. In this session, we will learn how to collecting data, and how to presenting data. Before it, we have to know the difference between statistics and statistic. Statistics is the study of the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. While statistic is a single measure of some attribute of a sample. In statistics we must proceed the data. Data are characteristic of information, usually numerical, that are collected through observation. And datum, the singular of data, is a single value of a single variable. There are two types of data. First, qualitative data, contains descriptive words. For example, a color, light red, green, or a location, like Bogor, Jakarta. And the second is quantitative data, contains numbers. For example, temperatures, areas, lengths, and others. To get data, we must has a population. Population is the whole group that a survey is interested in. But sometimes the population is too big to observe, so we must make the sample. Sample is a part of population that represents the population. There are three ways to collecting data: interview, questionnaire, and observation. First, interview. Interview is the process of obtaining information with a question and answer system, by face-to-face between the interviewer with the respondent. And of course, a good communication attitude is needed to support this method. Second, questionnaire. With the questionnaire, data is obtained by presenting a variety of questions that support the topic being studied. The question asked must be clear and directed. Third, observation. Observation is one of method of collecting data by observing carefully and directly at the research location to find out the conditions that occur, or prove the truth of a research design that is being carried out. Now we will learn how to presenting data. We will use two ways: table and diagrams. In diagrams, we use bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs. First, table. Table is a collection of related data held in a table format within a database. It consists of columns and rows. Example: this is the table of number of students in each group in a secondary school. We will read the table. In the 7-year-old group, there are 241 students. In the 8-year-old group, there are 256 students. In the 9-year-old group, there are 234 students. In the 10-year-old group, there are 263 students. In the 11-year-old group, there are 251 students. Next, frequency table. Frequency table is a table of the number of events of frequencies, that distributed in different groups or classes. Example: the list below shows the marks gained by 10 students in a test. We will put the into the frequency table. Classify each value into its own group, while counting the number of each group. Next, diagrams. The first diagrams is the bar charts. Diagrams, such as bar charts, can show patterns or trends in data. In a bar chart, the bars can be either vertical or horizontal. They must be equal width. Example: we will put this data into a vertical bar charts, like this. And this is the horizontal bar charts. The second diagrams is pie charts. Pie charts show how data is shared or divided. The sections of the pie charts are called sectors. There are 3 steps to draw a pie charts. First, calculate the percentage or angle for each sector. Draw the angles using a protractor. And give the pie charts a key to explain what each sector represents. Example: We will draw a pie chart from this data. First we will count the percentage of each sector. After we got all percentage of each sector, we draw the pie charts like this. We also can use angle to draw a pie charts. Next, the line graphs. Line graphs show trends in the data. You can only draw line graphs for continuous data. Example. We will draw the line graphs from this data. And this is the line graphs. To increase your understanding of statistics, do the following exercise. Thank you. And God bless us.